If your LinkedIn visibility has felt unpredictable lately, you're not imagining it. The platform has changed, and so has the way your presence is interpreted. Today, I want to introduce you to a simple framework that explains exactly what's going on, and more importantly, how you can regain control. It's called the Linkability Blueprint, and it's built on 4 foundations that shape how people and AI see you on LinkedIn. Let's work through them. The first is discovery. Discovery is the answer to the simple question, how do people find you? And today that includes both human discovery and AI inference. Most people think visibility comes from posting more often, but in reality, discovery is about clarity. The clarity of your themes, your language, and your presence across the platform. If your content wanders across too many topics or your profile isn't explicit about what you do, LinkedIn struggles to place you. When your signals are clear and consistent, people and the platform know exactly where you belong. The second foundation is perception. If discovery helps people find you, perception determines how you're understood once they do. This is shaped by your headline, your about section, and the tone and substance of your content. Perception answers questions like, what do you stand for? What expertise do you actually have? And why should someone trust you? AI also plays a major role here. Your profile isn't simply read, it's interpreted. Strong proof points, a coherent narrative, and clear positioning all give LinkedIn the confidence to recommend you more widely. The third foundation, connection. If I could choose just one foundation people underestimate the most, it's this one. Connection is about the micro communities and the relationships that surround you. LinkedIn visibility doesn't grow from broadcasting, it grows from interaction. Every meaningful comment, every conversation, every consistent appearance in your niche strengthens your connection signals. This is why some people with modest followings achieve extraordinary reach. They're active inside the right circles. When LinkedIn sees that you're part of a thriving conversation, it amplifies you. And the final foundation is momentum. Momentum is what turns the other foundations into long-term results. Momentum isn't about volume, it's about rhythm. A predictable and sustainable weekly routine tells LinkedIn that you are present, engaged, and reliably contributing to your topic space. When discovery, perception, and connection are already working, momentum is what compounds them. Week after week, month after month, your presence becomes more recognizable and more recommendable, both to people and to AI. So that's the Linkability Blueprint: discovery, perception, connection, and momentum. 4 foundations that explain not only why visibility has changed, but how you can rebuild it in a way that feels authentic and sustainable. If you want more depth on any of these, or you'd like to see the full blueprint broken down step by step, I've created articles and resources that go into each one in more detail. Thanks for watching, and here's to building a presence that both people and AI can recognize and trust.